Bathed in the afternoon sun, the family home radiates warmth as Ayaan, Zayan, and Inaya gather around their mother. The air crackles with anticipation, their faces lit with a shared excitement. Zayan's hopeful question breaks the peaceful scene. "Mom, can we get a pet?" Echoing his brother's desire, Inaya repeats the plea, her eyes wide with longing. "Mom, can we get a pet?" Sunlight dances on polished surfaces, amplifying the cozy atmosphere of their cherished home. The children gather, eyes wide with wonder, around a spacious cage filled with vibrant, chirping budgies. Tiny birds hop from perch to perch, their playful energy igniting the room with life. The children mimic the birds' cheerful sounds, their faces glowing with pure, unadulterated joy. A warm smile graces the mother's lips as she watches her children connect with their new companions. "Remember, these birds depend on us," the mother says, her voice filled with gentle responsibility. The family bonds over the shared care, their home filled with the joyful sounds of birds and laughter. Cardboard boxes scatter across the lawn, chaotic monuments to a family on the move. Amidst the frenzy, 2 budgies escape, their flight a symbol of sudden, unexpected freedom. One bird, a streak of white, decisively flees into the boundless sky. The other hesitates, circling the house as if tethered by invisible strings. Inaya's tear-filled eyes reflect the bird's plight as she cries, "She's going to freeze! Mommy, please bring her inside!" Zayan, with a silent plea, whispers, "God, please save her and show me. I promise I'll keep praying." As the sun went down and it got dark, we finally brought her back inside where it was warm.